2 seconds. That's all it takes to trigger the human brain's emergency shutdown switches. Forget punches or weapons. This is about precise neurological overrides used by Tier 1 operators and confirmed by neuroscientists. Today, we're exposing the 7 fastest ways to collapse consciousness. Stay for number 1. It changes everything you know about human biology. Consciousness is fragile. Your brain pulls 20% of your body's oxygen, and if that flow is interrupted for just 2 seconds, the system resets. Elite units, from the SEALs to the Mossad, don't treat this as theory. They treat it as an operational cheat code. We're breaking down the science behind the 7 most reliable off switches ever documented. Let's get into it. Method 7. The Carotid Shutdown. The carotid arteries are the primary pipes carrying oxygenated blood to your cerebral cortex, 2 massive vessels running up both sides of the neck that serve as the brain's main life support. Under normal conditions, the brain is a high-demand organ, receiving approximately 750 milliliters of blood every single minute. When you interrupt that flow by even 50%, the brain immediately enters a state of emergency rationing, prioritizing the brainstem while starving the higher centers of thought. If that flow is cut completely, the reticular activating system, the internal power grid responsible for keeping you awake, runs out of oxygen in less than 2 heartbeats. Because the brain has no significant internal oxygen storage, the loss of pressure leads to a sudden involuntary collapse of the postural muscles. This isn't a struggle for air, it is a clinical cessation of consciousness that occurs the moment the cerebral cortex can no longer sustain its electrical output. How to use it? Apply bilateral pressure to both sides of the neck simultaneously. Focus the compression on the soft tissue just below the angle of the jaw. By collapsing the vessels, the reticular activating system starves of oxygen, causing a blackout in under 2 seconds. Method 6. The vagus nerve cascade. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve in the human body, acting as the primary highway for the parasympathetic nervous system, the brake pedal that controls your heart rate, blood pressure, and internal organ stability. It runs from the brainstem through a narrow channel in the neck, making it highly vulnerable to external stimulation. When you apply sustained pressure to this nerve, you trigger a phenomenon known as the vasovagal syncope response. The brain receives a false signal that blood pressure has reached a catastrophic level, and in a desperate attempt to prevent a stroke, it initiates an immediate, massive emergency shutdown of the entire cardiovascular system. The heart rate drops towards 0, blood vessels throughout the body dilate simultaneously, and the brain is suddenly starved of oxygenated blood. Consciousness collapses in under 2 seconds as the body enters a reboot state to protect its most vital systems from a crisis that doesn't actually exist. How to use it? Apply sustained pressure to the carotid triangle, the groove beside the neck muscle midway between the jaw and the collarbone. This forces the heart rate to drop and blood vessels to dilate instantly, starving the brain of pressure. Method 5. The vestibular overload. The vestibular system in the inner ear is your brain's primary orientation processor, using fluid-filled canals to report every movement to the cerebellum. When a sharp rotational shock violently displaces this fluid, it sends a catastrophic false signal that the body is spinning in multiple directions simultaneously. The brain cannot process this data and initiates an emergency postural collapse to prevent what it perceives as a fatal fall. This reaction is a hardwired survival reflex that overrides the conscious will to stay upright. Because the vestibular system is linked directly to the motor cortex, the muscles responsible for standing simply unplug until the fluid stabilizes. How to use it? Deliver a focused cupped palm strike to the mastoid bone behind the ear. This creates an acoustic shockwave that overloads the internal gyroscope, causing the attacker to collapse instantly because their brain can no longer locate the floor. The reticular activating system, RAS, in the brainstem is the biological on switch for human consciousness, maintaining the electrical arousal of the cerebral cortex. It can be mechanically glitched by a shockwave traveling through the temporal bone, the thinnest part of the human skull, measuring only 3 millimeters thick. This vibration creates a neurochemical power surge that disrupts the signals keeping you awake, effectively turning the brain's power grid dark. Unlike other parts of the skull designed for impact, the temple acts as a direct window to the brain's most sensitive processing centers. Even a moderate strike can cause the RAS to misfire, leading to an immediate and total loss of motor control. How to use it? Deliver a focused ridge hand or hammer fist strike to the temple. This transmits kinetic energy directly to the brainstem with minimal resistance, causing a one-punch KO by temporarily cutting the brain's power supply for 2 to 8 seconds. Method 3. The suboccipital triangle strike. At the base of the skull where the head meets the neck sits a small triangular region of soft tissue called the suboccipital triangle. Within this triangle, the occipital nerve, the vagus nerve, and the vertebral artery all converge within centimeters of the surface. 3 critical systems sharing one small, unprotected coordinate at the back of the skull. A precise strike to this coordinate simultaneously disrupts all 3 systems. The occipital nerve floods the visual cortex with white static, causing immediate vision loss. The vagus nerve triggers the vasovagal cascade, causing cardiovascular shutdown. The vertebral artery compression briefly reduces blood flow to the cerebellum, causing immediate loss of balance and coordination. All 3 responses activate within the same half-second. Consciousness does not fade. It simply stops. This is the most closely guarded coordinate in all Special Forces hand-to-hand combat training. It appears in classified Bujinkan training documentation before being removed from all public records. It requires almost zero force to trigger because all 3 target systems sit within millimeters of the surface at this location. How to use it? Deliver a sharp perpendicular strike using a metacarpal edge or carotid chop to the soft dip at the very base of the skull. This is the most closely guarded coordinate in elite hand-to-hand combat because it requires almost zero force to execute. You are essentially hitting the master plug where the body's life support systems connect to the brain, causing an instantaneous system-wide blackout. Method 2. The cerebral pressure. Drop blood pressure is not uniform throughout the body. The brain requires a specific cerebral perfusion pressure, the difference between arterial blood pressure and intracranial pressure, to maintain consciousness. When this pressure differential drops below a critical threshold, the brain cannot sustain the electrical activity of the conscious state and shuts down automatically. This threshold is precise. A drop of 20 to 30 millimeters of mercury in cerebral perfusion pressure is sufficient to cause loss of consciousness in most individuals. The fastest way to trigger this drop without mechanical intervention is through simultaneous activation of multiple vasovagal pathways: the carotid sinus, the vagus nerve, and the aortic arch baroreceptors all at once. Each pathway individually triggers a partial pressure drop. All 3 simultaneously trigger a complete cerebral pressure collapse faster than the brain's compensatory mechanisms can respond. Special Forces programs teach combined pressure point applications specifically to trigger this simultaneous multi-pathway response. Single-point applications cause partial effects. Multi-point simultaneous applications cause complete shutdown. How to use it? This is a multi-point application. Use a C grip to compress the carotid sinus at the jaw-neck junction, while simultaneously applying pressure to the lateral vagus nerve. By hitting 2 independent emergency sensors at the same moment, you trick the brain into a total pressure collapse. The attacker will lose consciousness in under 2 seconds as their brain literally runs out of hydraulic pressure. Method 1. The Sphenopalatine Ganglion Reset. Number 1. The most powerful and least known consciousness interruption point in the entire human body, the master switch. This nerve cluster behind the nasal bridge is the brain's Control-Alt-Delete. A sharp tap here floods the brain with so much contradictory data it forces an immediate hard reboot. How to use it? Deliver a short, sharp tap, not a heavy punch, to the exact midpoint of the nasal bridge. This transmits the vibration through the thin nasal bones directly to the ganglion, triggering an immediate system-wide reset that no amount of willpower can override. 7 switches, 0 myths. In this lab, size is irrelevant. Biology is law.